Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Sean and Collins Mnangagwa, twin sons of Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa and First Lady Auxilia Mnangagwa, are today celebrating their 39th birthday. Born on February 24, 1987, they have grown into influential figures in Zimbabwe, with Sean serving in the Zimbabwe National Army, specifically in the Presidential Guard, and Collins as a businessman and engineer. Collins holds a degree in electrical engineering and has established himself in various sectors, including mining, agriculture, and education. He has also received several awards, including the Super Platinum Award for Technology Innovation and Next Generation Leadership. Sean, on the other hand, has kept a relatively low profile, but has been involved in business ventures and has accompanied his father on international trips. Both the twins have been appointed patrons of the Africa Twins Association, ATA, aiming to foster unity and address challenges faced by twins and multiple births across the continent. For more stories, please do like and subscribe at Zimstake Media.